For the cadets in the Maryland Natural Resources Police Cadet Program, the opportunities are limitless. Akin to an internship, this program provides an opportunity for eager men and women between the ages of 18 to 21 to gain first-hand knowledge of the job of an NRP officer. Let's meet our newest cadets.
My name is Sean Peterson. I'm from Ocean City, Maryland.
I'm Leanna Stone. I am a cadet for NRP, and I am from Long Island, New York.
My name is Landon Broadwater, and I'm from Allegheny County, Maryland.
My name is Shaquan Williams. I'm from Snow Hill, Maryland.
My name is Stephanie Greger. I'm from Howard County, Maryland.
My name is Douglas Simon. I'm from Baltimore County.
So, why did you choose to become a Maryland Natural Resources Police Cadet?
And I chose to be a Natural Resources Police Cadet because I grew up on the water, hunting and fishing, always just on the boat all the time. And I always see the boats going by, and I'm like, man, that'd be awesome if I could do that one day.
What do you like most about the NRP Cadet Program?
What I love most about being a natural resource cadet for Maryland is probably knowing that I'm making a difference in not only the community, but also in the environment around me.
I'm very thankful to be able to attend the NRP's cadet program, because when I eventually do go through the academy to become an officer, it'll give me sort of a leverage, and I'll have more knowledge when I get out into the field.
I like the cadet program because it gives you a look into what your future career may look like.
How has the cadet program helped you?
Becoming an NRP cadet really has opened my eyes to all the things I truly do, being in the field and seeing what each officer does. It also opens up various opportunities for you to learn things all across the state, including operating boats.
A special thing about being in the cadet program, it gives us the opportunity to ride along with officers every day and do the things that they would do and more. We participate in community events, which they do, as well as their regular patrols, and we branch out into our outreach facilities and work with wildlife and fisheries and get all aspects of the job combined to really know what goes on behind the scenes.
Why did you choose to join the cadet program?
I chose to join the cadet program because I want to eventually become a natural resource police officer and enforce hunting and fishing laws.
Any advice to those who wish to apply?
Advice for incoming candidates for the NRP cadet position. Number one thing is honesty, because honesty is one of the biggest parts of this organization. Another thing is do a little research and see if you really appreciate what NRP does for its community, and see if you would truly enjoy the job, possibly by getting in contact with someone from a DNR agency and setting up a ride-along, because that is something that I did to ensure that I would enjoy the position.
My advice for people coming from out of state would have to be prepare yourself to not know everything. You're going to be learning something new every single day, and that's just the best part about moving somewhere new.
If you like being outdoors, working outdoors, serving your community, and just protecting the wildlife, this is the job for you.